In this video, I want to show you how to reverse a string the pythonic way. Now, there are many ways to do it, but if you're using Python, the absolute shortest way is with list slicing. So let's create a string, and we'll say x is equal to MISSISSIPPI. So our string is Mississippi. The syntax for this is the variable that we want to slice, so in this case x, opening and closing brackets, and a colon in the middle. Now, what goes to the left of the colon is the index we want to start at, and what goes to the right of the colon is the index we want to end at. So say we wanted to start at in S, this would be 0, 1, 2, so index 2. And we wanted to go up to the 8th index. Well, the last number, or the number to the right of the colon, is non-inclusive, meaning it goes up to but not including the number that we enter here. So if we want to go to the 8th index, we have to enter 9. So from the 2nd index to the 9th index, or the 8th index, is SSISSIP. Now, if we did this, but didn't enter, say we wanted to go from the beginning to the 9th index, we don't have to enter anything to the left. It's implied that we start at the very beginning if we don't enter anything to the left of the colon. So this would be from index 0 to the 9th one. If we wanted to start from someplace, so say we wanted to start from index 1 but go to the end of the string, we can do the same thing. We don't enter anything to the right of the colon, and it's implied that we go to the very end of the string, so this will be I all the way to the end. And if we don't enter anything, we just do this. This is the entire string. Now, there's a second colon we can add after we specify the first two numbers, and this is called adding a step. So if we just wanted to go from the index 1 to index 9, we can add a second colon, and this is a step. The step is an optional number, and it indicates the difference between each number in the resulting sequence. So if the step is 2, it will print out every second number. If it's 3, it'll print out every third number, and so on. So say we wanted to go from index 1 to index 8, printing out every second number. That's how we do it. And if we wanted to go from, say, the entire string, so that would print out the entire string, but we can add a step, printing out every third number. That's what that does. Now, to the part you've probably all been waiting for, reversing a string using this notation. So we enter the variable we want to slice, we enter the syntax. What we do is we can actually use negative indexing, and if we use -1 as a step, it starts from the end of the string towards the beginning, which reverses the string. So if we do -1 and hit enter, we've just reversed the string using Idiomatic Python. And what you should do is you should play around with this list slicing. It's an incredibly powerful tool, and you can do a whole lot with it. So if you got any value from this video or you learned anything, I would appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed.